I'm Kym Bradbury and I'm the Country Communication Manager at IKEA UK Ireland. We're the world's largest home furnishing company and we have a vision to create a better everyday life for the many people. So in communication, what my role is to really enable the business to deliver its business outcomes and goals through communication. And what that really means is really positioning IKEA as a trustful and meaningful brand in people's hearts and minds. When I moved to the UK and I started to prepare for an interview with IKEA, the more I researched, the more I found out about the brand, what we stood for and what we did, I think the more I was like, I absolutely have to work for this company. So I started as corporate PR manager, so using my background in corporate communications and in PR. And after a few years in that role, I went on a global development program to really learn more about the business and the breadth of the business. And then I've been in my current role as country communication manager since January 2018. It was a little bit of a trend over time now when I look back on my career of kind of being thrown in the deep end, being outside my area of kind of expertise, maybe not having experienced something, but being able to really trust myself and give things a go and see what happens and learn. I think I've always been interested in people and in storytelling. And really what I looked to do was try and find something that really built on those interests and those passion points to study. So that's why I chose communication studies. What I really enjoy the most about my job and what kind of gets me out of bed in the morning is really in communication the role is so varied. So from one day you're working on some kind of media interviews right through to really talking with our co-workers and inspiring them to engage in their everyday role. And then what we also know is that today people, when they're losing trust in institutions and in government to improve society, they rely more on business to make more meaningful contributions. So again, communication has such a fundamental role to play in this area as well. What I would say to those who are considering studying communication is absolutely go for it. What you learn in communication at Waikato Management School really sets you up in a way that benefits you both professionally and personally. I think what I carry with me today that I learnt at Waikato Management School was really about the power of words, language and storytelling. And I think what really stuck with me was the power of words and the possibility of using it to unite people, or the responsibility, if we use them in the wrong way, to really divide people. That's something that's really stuck with me throughout my career.